Today we got the Chevy Malibu LT. It's gonna be 2015 to present model, 2020-ish. What we're doing today is we're replacing the transmission on it. We got the transmission right there. It's a good used transmission. The torque converter is right here. And we got two jacks underneath there. I'll show you what we did so that you know that you could do this at your house as well. So we already took off the subframe and the front exhaust. Front exhaust is right here. This is the whole subframe, and we left the spindles connected in the lower control arm. All we had to do was disconnect the radiator from the front. We disconnected the rack and pinion and the sway bar links from here, and we left it connected at the steering column. And what we have here holding the sway bars, this is still attached to this rack and pinion. We got it connected into our strut. Since the strut is up there, that's holding up the rack. So the rack doesn't get damaged, calipers don't get damaged. Well, you also gotta take the starter out. And as you can see, this little hole right inside there, you gotta spin that. You're gonna rotate it at the crankshaft. As you rotate it, you'll take out the torque converter bolts. There's gonna be 3 of them on there. Once you get those 3 out, you're gonna also release this line that's on the back of the transmission. Looks like it's gonna be a small torque. So we're gonna get off that bracket, or you can actually probably see that, get that bracket off of there. And all we'll have to do is take off all of our bell housing bolts that connected to the motor. Just gonna be like this one, that one. Take them out all the way around on the top as well. Once we do that, we'll be able to drop the transmission down. We'll show you that as well. Make sure that y'all get with us. We are mobile mechanics in Dallas, Texas. We get the jobs done. If you see any one of these 2 trucks, you can go ahead and holler at us for a quote or shoot us a text at 214-791-7837. Oh wait, do we have all the bell housing bolts out?
Yeah.
All right. What about this that hose?
I already released it from the bracket. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, let me see. Okay, looks pretty good. You're good, Mike.
You got it?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Hold on, I'll tell you what. Wait, one sec. Oh. Go ahead. That's it. Oh, perfect. You can pull some your way while you're still letting it drop at that rate. That's cool.
Whoa. Be careful.
I got it.
Okay. Nice. If you ain't that strong, just tell me and I'll go on that side,
I
okay?
already know what time it is. Okay. Hold on, let me move this stupid thing out the way. I'll pull it out. Alrighty, so this is the transmission that we took out. The mount is still attached to it. This is it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this other one out because we're trying to beat record time. Here's the old one. We already switched our mount over to this side.